In this video we will learn how to place an offer to a candidate in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the recruitment module on top navigation bar. So here you can see screening form. Click on job post. From candidate job card drop-down, move to offer. System will show pop for offer letter. Select a letter format from letter setup drop-down. Select either to send email to candidate or not. Turn on required toggle buttons. Click on a save button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted. The candidate will move to the offer tile on screening.